kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. We are getting so fancy because we officially have an intro. I hope you guys enjoyed that little moment. It's taken a couple videos for me to figure it all out, but I'm so happy to have you guys back to watch this week's video, then with a wonderful winter wonderland realness look with the Blue Blood palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I have yet to do a look with this palette, but like, come on, she is stunning. I am so excited to dive into this palette today with you all and create a really fun winter inspired look. So let's get started. So today, to base on my eye, I'm going to be using the Anastasia eye primer. Again, one of my personal favorites, especially when I'm playing with really rich pigments, just to create a really smooth base on my eye to really make those colors stand out. Grabbing my pig mirror from the Shane Dawson collection because, girl, this mirror is sickening and I love it. And we're gonna go on in and dive in with that eye primer. Today, to start this eye look off, I am going to be using a dual-ended Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm going to be dipping into Entitled, which is this metallic shade here. This is a beautiful aqua color, which I think will really help draw attention to the inner corner of the eye. So let's dip into that. So just finished placing Entitled into my inner corner. The next shade that I want to go into is going to be Deceased, which is going to be this really beautiful blue shade right in the middle of the palette. I'm going to go ahead and put that on the middle part of my lid using a Morphe M506 brush. So the next color that I am going to be using for this eye look is going to be Undertaker, which is going to be this matte navy blue shade. I really think this is going to add that smoky effect and that little bit of drama that we're looking for today. Again, I'm going to be going in with the Morphe M506 brush and dipping into Undertaker, the matte navy blue, and placing that in the outer corner. So the next shade that I'm going to be using in this winter wonderland look is going to be Cullinan, which is going to be this really beautiful metallic shade here. It's definitely a white. I'm going to use it to accentuate the brow bone area. Dipping in with the opposite side of the Anastasia dual-ended brush on the fluffy side. I will line the bottom of my lashes. But today I am going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm not going to be using the exact same shades because I want this to really be all the cool colors of winter and that blue color story. So I'm going to go ahead and dip into Ice Tray, which is going to be this really beautiful metallic light blue right here. And I'm going to be lining it today with just a little bit more of a flat-ended brush than my traditional smudge brush from e.l.f. Okay, now I want to make that inner corner pop, so I am going to finish off this eyeshadow using Ocean Ice, which is this really beautiful metal blue. And I'm just going to dip in with my finger. I find that this is the easiest way to apply really like pressed glitters because the color payoff is so strong. And I'm just going to go ahead and press it into the inner corner of my eye, and then I'm going to be using a brush to blend that out. Now I know that this is looking a little crazy, so we are going to go in with that flat-ended brush again, dip into Ocean Ice, and we're going to blend this up and out into the inner corner, from the inner corner to the outer corner. The next step I want to do is I want to take the NYX eyeliner and I'm going to line my waterline just to really snatch the eye. Continue this whimsical look that we are creating, I am going to line the top of my lid using the matte shade Cremated. I go in normally with a angled brush like so, dip into the color and then stamp individually along the eye. Don't try to draw a line in one swoop, otherwise it doesn't always turn out right. It may skip, it may jump, and just by pressing it you can really create that definition that you're looking for. For mascara today, I am going to be going in with the ILIA After Midnight mascara. I like it because of the tip to it. Doesn't get that really thin applicator, which I find really nice to get into the lashes and really get that volume started. The second to last step for this look today is going to be using the Platinum Ice Skin Frost palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics as a highlight for today. And we are going to be dipping into Glacier, that really awesome silvery shade. Gives a little bit of the chills as we're diving into winter and living this Frostmeister moment. Last but not least for today's look is going to be a lip. Today, because our eyes are so fun and dramatic, I just decided that I wanted to do a liquid nude lip from Sephora collection, which is one of my personal favorites. This is shade number 6. We're just gonna go ahead and apply that. And there it is, Winter Wonderland Realness, all complete. The colors and the placement of these pigments will be in the description below, and I hope that you really enjoyed following me along this wonderful winter journey. I hope that you all have an amazing week, stay warm, and as always, stay sassy, stay classy, and love your look. Bye guys.